Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TEUM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where these green line annotations are coming from. And they played a big role in today's price movement, as I talked about in the video from Monday. So this will mean a little bit more to those of you that I suppose watched the video yesterday. But regardless, talked about these as supports, and you can see the price got down here within the support zone between these two areas and actually bounced beautifully right off that lower portion, and then got a very nice bounce to the remainder of the day. So there's no doubt about it, the price has shown some signs of strength. So now it's just a matter of seeing if the price can kind of build upon this strength. And how am I defining building upon? Well, right here above $4.40. And there's nothing fancy behind this other than the fact of, well, hopefully we can agree on this logic, that if this current bounce right here does have some genuine strength behind it, well, then within the grand scheme of things, you know, that's going to make some progress forward. It's not, the price isn't going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, well, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction of, you know, something with true momentum, true strength. You know, a bounce, if it's actually a bounce, is not going to go back to where it was, because that would no longer be a bounce. Exactly. Like I said, it's hopefully pretty straightforward. But that's where 440 comes into play, because if the price were to go down to 440, break below it, and then just separate to the downside, at that point in time, the price is right back in between those green lines. And once again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price does go down. However, in this situation, it goes down. However, in this set of circumstances, behaves like that. Now what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, that progress point being right there at 440. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, it's all about the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. You can see the price is essentially sitting there and getting ready to do battle with it. So let's see if the price can push up through there or not. But that'll certainly be public enemy number one going into Wednesday. All in all, though, any way you look at it, very nice bounce today. Let's see if the price can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.